Fusilloni, broccoli and salsiccia. An Italian masterpiece. Let's make it together. We need a good pasta. Today I chose fusilloni. Broccoli, this is a small one, so for 2 people we can use it all. A good piece of sausage and 2 pieces of garlic. Don't forget a glass of white wine. Let's start cutting the tops of the broccoli. Do not trash the stem, because we're going to use it for make a fantastic sauce. We just remove the bottom. We clean a bit from the leaf. And we cut in 4 smaller pieces. In the same pot where we are going to boil our pasta, let's put a spoon of salt. And we boil the stem that we cut before. Very important, add the stem of the broccoli when the water is not boiling, so from cold water. While the stem is boiling, let's cut our sausage. In a pan, let's turn on medium-high. We add a good amount of olive oil. We add 2 pieces of garlic. The oil is ready, the garlic is starting to smell. We can add our sausage. When you reach this color, we can add the top of our broccoli. Now we add our glass of wine. We let evaporate the alcoholic part. Once the alcoholic part has been evaporated, we can add salt and black pepper. We remove the garlic, we reduce the fire and we close. It has to finish to cook very gently. Once the water where we are cooking the steam start to boil, it means that the steam are ready, so we can put them in a bowl. And now we can start to boil the pasta in the same water. For the sauce, so the steam are in the bowl, olive oil, black pepper, pinch of salt, a bit of pasta water. We turn off on the pan and we can add our beautiful sauce. We mix. So, I guess you know my rules. The pan is on, pasta al dente in, a bit of pasta water, and now goes together. Bit more of black pepper, olive oil, Guys, these are my fusilloni, broccoli and salsiccia. Try at home, because not too bad.